Hi, my dear children. How are you all? I'm missing you all so much. Hope you are fine and enjoying at home. Have you done any studies? Yes, good boys. Today, ma'am is here to teach you one poem. Very beautiful poem about little dog. You'll find it in your rhyme book. The title of my poem is Little Dog. Let us recite. Little dog, will you play with me? Let us roll and dance and jump with glee. Little dog, please come and eat bread, bones and biscuit. Oh, what a treat! Nice poem. Let us recite one more time with the accent. Okay? Little dog, will you play with me? Let us roll and dance and jump with glee. Little dog, please come and eat bread, bones and biscuit. Oh, what a treat! Okay, now you're going to revise the poem once again with your mama. Okay? Don't trouble your parents. Bye-bye. God bless you. See you soon.